with the RV guys, and for you, I have got a fantastic surprise. Half-ton towable, 21-foot, Pathfinder Weekend Extreme. Sleek fiberglass exterior is gonna keep you looking good running down the road, and it's easy to take care of. For those weekends at the lake where you want to hang out, party, and relax, power awning, push a button, and boom, you got some shade. Built-in speakers in that awning, so it brings the sound right out to you. Lets you get your jam on. Hooking up your equalizer is a piece of cake now, thanks to the power hitch jack. You push a button, it goes up. You push a button, it goes down. No more of that cranking stuff for you. We're making it easy. Weighing in just under 6,000 pounds, you can pull this one with just about any half-ton truck. Nice nice slide in the living area. It gives you plenty of room to spread out and get comfortable. It is fully self-contained with holding tanks for fresh and wastewater, a 12-volt power supply system, and two-way power appliances. So you can take this 21-foot travel trailer out anywhere you want to go and you'll still be comfortable. Rear mount spare tire that's easy to get to if you have to. One thing I really like, right up there, rear view camera. So when you're pulling her down the road, you can see what's happening behind you. Makes backing into your slot easy too. Now this is a model 21 F210UDS. A really long name for a small trailer. Check it out, perfect for the family of 4. Got a full kitchen for creating those wonderful memory-making camp meals. 2-bowl stainless steel sink, perfect for washing your veggies and your dishes. Countertop is easy to clean up. Ample cabinet space for putting everything out of sight. If you're in a hurry, got a 12-volt microwave system for whipping up that fast meal. But if you like a little more sedate pace, 3-burner gas stove is perfect for your bacon and egg breakfast. And nothing beats the smell of fresh bacon when you're out camping. Unless, of course, it's hot chocolate chip cookies coming right out of the propane-fired oven. Man, gotta love those chocolate chip cookies. Built-in surround sound so you get that movie theater experience no matter where you set up camp. 2-way power stainless steel Atwood refrigerator freezer that is perfect for keeping your veggies, milk, and eggs cold, or beer in my case. Gotta keep the beer cold. No more late night hikes down to the public facilities when you have your own facility. Includes a shower that's big enough for a tall guy like me to get in here and wash my hair. Vanity for washing the hands and brushing the teeth. And of course, no more late night hikes down to use somebody else's dirty facilities. Have a very comfortable dinette for feeding 4. Actually, it'd probably seat 6. Converts into a bed for 2, so you got a place to put the grandkids to bed. And last but not least, a step-around queen-size bed that's oh so comfortable and perfect for a good nice rest. Listening to the birds chirp. Plenty of storage above and below to get all your stuff out of sight. Plenty of space for mama to hang some clothes too. If fun and adventure have called you out to play and you're looking for a good half-ton towable bumper pull travel trailer, come on out here and see the RV guys today.